Smith machine bench press. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to find a Smith machine. So that's one of those machines where this bar does not move side to side, it only moves up and down. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to get under it. This is going to be a good exercise for the chest. So right here, if you have some stability issues or just really want to focus on more, without using the chest, without a ton of stability here, we're going to be using this Smith machine bench press. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to have a flat bench, shoulder blades are pinched back, and this bar is set right at the top. Now you can set this bar a little bit lower, that's totally fine. What we want to do here is have our hands evenly spaced out. We're going to press up and we're going to rotate this back so that it can slide. So if we don't rotate this back, as we go down, it's going to catch. So we have to push up and rotate it back. Now, the other thing here is that when we are pressing, we want to use a grip that allows our elbows to get into a good position. So when our hands are completely over here and our thumbs are on this side of the bar, it makes it very hard for our elbows to rotate and get in position. So I want your hands to be, your thumbs to be on the same side as your fingers, so that way you can rotate in here a bit easier. So again, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing up, rotating back, and we're going to be bringing this right to the bottom of our chest, right to our sternum height. Now when we get to the bottom, we want to make sure that our hand and our arm from our elbow to our wrist is completely perpendicular to the ground. So we don't want it in here like this, we want it right here. We want our elbows tucked in so that we're really pressing up just like that. So again, we're coming down here controlled, right to the sternum, pressing directly up like that, and then when we're done, we're just rotating this forward. And the Smith machine is really good because even if you get stuck down here, you can rotate it forward and it can catch you and it's not going to fall on you. So it's a bit of a safer variation than a typical barbell bench press.